Today we will talk about subtracting whole numbers. You can imply subtraction a couple of different ways. For example, if you want to say 5 minus 2, you can say subtract 2 from 5. Or you can also say 5 minus 2. Or you can say 5 subtract 2. These are all different ways of saying a subtraction. Now let's learn how to subtract 2-digit from 2-digit without borrowing first. You just have to line up the ones and then subtract the ones and then tens and the hundreds from right to left. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. I didn't do any borrowing. Let's try to do something with borrowing. 2 digits and 1 digit. You look 8 minus 9 doesn't work. Borrow from the neighbor. Turn back and add the 10. 18 minus 9, 9. Let's do another one with borrowing. 3 digits. Let's try to do the ones. 1, 9 doesn't work. Borrow from the 10, so you have 1 left. And now you have 11 because that transforms to 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 9, 2. 1, 3 doesn't go, so you have to borrow from 3, 2. And then this becomes 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. Let's try to do a lot of steps of borrowing. So let's try small numbers this way and big numbers this way. All right. 2 minus 6 doesn't work. I borrow 1. I borrow 1, so I have 0 left, and now I have 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 0, 7 doesn't work. I have to borrow, so I have 0. Now I have 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 0, 8 doesn't work. Borrow from 3. And you have 10 now. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 2, so you have 236. Now what I want to do a little bit more complex subtraction and then kind of check my subtraction doing addition because they're kind of sisters. So let's do a kind of 10,000 subtraction. So small digits on top. And then let's do something like that at the bottom. Now in the ones I don't need to borrow. 6 minus 5, 1. 4, 7 doesn't work. Borrow from here, 2. And now you carry the 10, so you have 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 2, 8 doesn't work. Borrow from 1. Now you have 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 0, 9 doesn't work. Borrow from 2. Now you have 10. 10 minus 9, 1. And then you have 1 left. 11,471. Now if you want to check this, what you need to do is you need to add these two and then make sure that you actually get what you started with. And let's see that if that works. Let me get another color. Let's see if that works. This is to check. So I'm going to add 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 7, 14. 8 plus 9 plus 4, 13. 9 plus 1, 10, 11. And then 1, 1 plus 1, 2. And you actually got the same thing. So this is a very quick way of checking your subtraction. I'll do one last one. Let's do a lot of borrowing and I will also check it and then I will just try to kind of get a feel for whether or not I got this by rounding. So let's go and do that. So let's do, alright. 0 to 7 doesn't work. Borrow from 1. So bring that as 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 0 to 6 doesn't work. You have to borrow from 3. And now you have 10 minus 6, 4. 2, 5 doesn't work. Borrow from 1. And this became 12. 12 minus 5, that's 7. 0, 3 doesn't work. Borrow from 2. 10 minus 3 is 7, and that's simply what you have. So I'm going to check now whether or not I got this right. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 4, 10, 11. 7 plus 6, 13. 7 plus 3, 10, 11. Oops. And then you have 1 plus 1. We carry that one. 2. 21,310, which is what I started with. Now, if you want to see how whether or not you got it right, you can also do a rounding check. 21,000 rounds to around 20,000, and then 13,000 rounds to 10,000. So I'm subtracting 10 from 20, so I should be getting something in the 10,000s. And when you look at our answer, and you'll see that that actually rounds to 10,000. So we did it right.